Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable calendar alert notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and on the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen and open up the calendar app. In here, tap on the menu key at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and tap on alert style and then select a style that you want to use, and then tap on the alert sound at the bottom here, and here you can tap on show notifications switch to switch it off or turn it on. Now say that notifications from this category are blocked, and that's it. So that's how you can turn it on or off. Now if you want to turn on notifications but you do not want to receive the alert, you can choose silent instead. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to your calendar view, or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.